Well, hello everybody. My name is Casey Salge. I'm an executive consultant with Ambit Energy. I've been an executive consultant for about a year now, and followed the very proven system that we have in Ambit Energy. Had very good results with that, but I don't know about you. I always wanted to go faster. I realized that the secret to this business is showing the plan, and you got to have enough people to be able to show that plan too. So I needed my written list to get larger. And I always wanted to find a way to make that work on the internet for a high-tech, high-touch approach. Something I learned from one of my mentors when I first started in Ambit Energy, and who's become a very good friend of mine. And he always mentioned that high-tech, high-touch. So how can you go out and quickly gather a whole bunch of people that you can then become acquainted with and turn them into your warm market, and how can you do that efficiently? So I always wanted to know how to do that, could never figure it out, made that random post out on Facebook from time to time, nothing ever came of that. And when the student is ready, the teacher always appears, is a great saying. And I was in the exact same point. So my teacher that appeared was by the name of a man named Mike Mucci. He's a LinkedIn guru. He really knows his business on the internet, and came about meeting him through Sean Cornett and Chuck Williams. Chuck Williams was working with Mike Mucci and having very good success with the LinkedIn process, and shared that with Sean Cornett. Sean Cornett, in a mindset of abundance, shared that out with more than just his team, but anybody that was in the Energy Gold Rush system, which I was, and a huge supporter and recommendation for that system. And as a result of that, that's what allowed me to meet Mike Mucci. And what I can tell you is Mike is the real deal. He's very interested in your success, making sure that you take this information, apply it, and see results. He has continuing education classes, workshop implementation courses that he does. Very powerful in what he shares and his mindset for this. So because of that and the success that I've had with the teachings of Mike Mucci and how to use it for LinkedIn and how to apply that to my Ambit Energy business, my results kind of spoke for themselves. I've had 12 personal sponsored consultants as a result of LinkedIn alone. Those 12 have turned into 39 consultants in my organization, and still growing and love using this system. So it's worked out very well for me, and with that mindset of abundance, I decided, Mike asked me to join in with him, and I have made that decision, and that's why I wanted to do this webinar with him. And we're going to show you a couple things: how to build a magnetic profile. It's very powerful on how to do that in LinkedIn, and it really sets the stage for everything else that you do on LinkedIn. Other thing we're going to do is teach you how to build a targeted list, finding people that have similar interests and goals and aspirations and hobbies, and just some people that you can relate to, which is very important, so that you can have that high touch feel with them. We're going to teach you how to do that, and you can even pick the city that they are in. That's very powerful. You can build this business in any location. We know that. But we also know that it's definitely easier if you can do it in a location that we offer the service. So a very powerful subject matter there. So we're going to teach you how to differentiate yourself from the competition. In LinkedIn, in North America alone, there's over 100 million people that use that system. So we're going to show you how to set yourself apart from everybody else, so that you can get to that targeted personal relationship with people. So what you need to do is definitely click on the sign up now button. You'll see it down here or over there, and click on that. Make sure you get yourself registered for the free webinar we're going to be doing on Wednesday, May 27th. It's going to be at 9 p.m. Eastern. That's 8 p.m. Central. So make sure you click on that, get the information, and we look forward to seeing you on May 27th. All right, everybody. We'll talk to you soon.